Welcome to Alphabet Adventure Town, where every letter has a secret. Are you ready to discover them all? Let's go! Oh no! The castle key is missing! Let's find clues! Let's find clues with letter C!
C says.
C's for cat, that's me. C is for cat, that's me.
C have T said.
Look, a gift on my porch. A clue. Let's open it. Look, a cool blue cap.
C is for cap. Looks awesome!
Which one starts with C? The car. C is for car. Wow! A real car is here! It will take us to the castle! Car!
Look, a yummy cake!
Hooray! And the castle key!
Whee! So fast and fun!
Castle, here we come! Let's open the big castle. C is for castle. Wow! We did it together! Hooray! Thank you for playing with us today. Oh. See you next time for letter D. Bye-bye.